What's going on, guys? I figured I would share some quick clips that we got last night. I had a really unique opportunity at our drivers meeting to do some donuts around my brother's GTR as well as one of our other guys' GTRs. And so basically, yeah, send it. Tried to just keep it wide so I wouldn't hit them because obviously GTRs cost a lot more than the M3. And so I'll put those clips in next. I have some videos coming out later this week. I'm putting this welded diff in my new drift car today. So hopefully tomorrow I can film a video on the new car, get you guys acclimated with that. At the end of the week, or middle of the week, Vehicle Virgins is coming to town and we're hitting our rally down to St. Louis on Friday. So that should be cool too. So here's those clips. Like and subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next video.
He's getting cocky now.